Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, August 25, 2023 on our channel. Secop's energy optimized propane compressors and condensing units. Atmosphere Europe 2023 Conference on Natural Refrigerants set for September in Brussels. Heat resilience and sustainable cooling, your response. Kaltra reduced manufacturing time for microchannel heat exchangers by 30%. World Ozone Day, September 16, 2023. Advancing Technology at International Congress of Refrigeration 2020. Copeland applauded by Frost and Sullivan for enabling data protection. Danfoss opened Smart Store Innovation Center to accelerate energy efficiency in food retail. AHR Mexico 2023. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Secop's energy optimized propane compressors and condensing units. Secop's energy optimized KLF, NLE, and SCE propane R290 compressor ranges are tailored for commercial use and capable of replacing products made for high global warming potential (GWP) refrigerants such as R404A and R134A. A GWP of 3 is achievable with powerful, efficient KLF, NLE, and SCE compressors designed for LBP/MBP applications, such as bottle coolers, ice cream cabinets, commercial refrigerators, or medical refrigerators and medical ultra-low temperature freezers that are suitable for markets with a voltage range of 220 V to 240 V, 50, 60 Hz as well as 115 V to 127 V, 60 Hz. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Atmosphere Europe 2023 Conference on Natural Refrigerants set for September in Brussels. The 13th, 2023, edition of the Atmosphere, ATMO, Europe Summit on Natural Refrigerant Systems, hosted by Market Accelerator Atmosphere, formerly Secop, will be held in Brussels, Belgium, at the Hotel La Plaza on 19th-20th of September, 2023. The conference will focus on the latest trends and achievements in the field of natural refrigerant technologies, covering policy developments, FIS, EU F-gas regulation, keynotes, market updates, heat pumps, transport and AMP, MAC, case studies, end users' experiences, impact of refrigerants, training and more. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Heat resilience and sustainable cooling, your response. The 2023 Parliament Environment Audit Committee inquiry, that closed on 17th of August 2023 focused on the issues of the relationship between heat and health, government policies in relation to current and future need for cooling and what measures could be taken to increase adaptation and resilience to rising temperatures, sustainable cooling solutions and adaptation strategies that minimize overheating, reduce energy consumption and prevent overloading the electricity grid. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Kaltra reduced manufacturing time for microchannel heat exchangers by 30%. With expansion of production facilities which included installation of 2 new cab furnaces with large indexing grids and intended for high-volume production runs completed in Q2 2023, Kaltra reduced manufacturing time for microchannel heat exchangers by 30%. Brazing quality is also positively affected by furnaces' precise temperature control and advanced vacuum purge systems for nitrogen atmosphere control. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. World Ozone Day, September 16, 2023. Dear National Ozone Officers. On 16th of September each year, we all celebrate the commitments made by parties in 1987 to protect human life and the environment by implementing the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. This year's World Ozone Day, WOD, theme, Montreal Protocol, Fixing the Ozone Layer and Reducing Climate Change, reminds us of our responsibility to continue building on the considerable ozone and climate benefits already achieved under the Montreal Protocol through the phase-out of ozone-depleting substances, by enthusiastically pursuing the objectives of the Kigali Amendment to phase down HFC production and consumption. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Copeland applauded by Frost and AMP, Sullivan for enabling data protection. Recently, Frost and AMP, Sullivan analyzed the smart thermostat industry and, based on its findings, recognizes Copeland, a global provider of sustainable climate solutions, with a 2023 North American Company of the Year award. The company focuses on sustainable innovation, creating meaningful change in the world by helping its customers across residential, commercial, and industrial markets to drive decarbonization and energy efficiency. Read more the news on our website today. 7th News Today. Danfoss opens Smart Store Innovation Center to accelerate energy efficiency in food retail. New Application Development Center opens at flagship energy-efficient Smart Store supermarket near Danfoss headquarters in Nordborg, Denmark. This collaborative test environment will empower original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, contractors, food retailers, and Danfoss engineers to develop new technologies and solutions to enhance energy and operational efficiency for food retail. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. AHR Mexico 2023. Show days. Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wednesday, September 20, 2023, Thursday, September 21, 2023. Venue and location. Centro City Banamex Ave. Del Conscripto 311, Miguel Hidalgo, 11619 Mexico City, Mexico. In its next edition, the event will feature more than 400 participating exhibiting companies, 18,000 square meters of exhibition floor. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.